friends, Running Kimono here, and one of you guys actually messaged me last night saying, oh my gosh, 99 cents for this 4 pack of Walgreens facial tissue. It's unmarked clearance at some stores. So this is an in-store deal only. If you can make it happen, make it happen. It's 75% off. So just to explain, this pack of the gray, and it has like 4 different prints. It's been $1.99, I think last January. But some stores it never went on clearance. And if you can track it down, 99 cents at some stores. It's always a year mileage may vary with clearance, but a lot of shoppers are saying it's ringing up 99 cents, which is a crazy price point for 4 packs of facial tissue. Now, I did buy this last January when it was 50% off, and here is the UPC. You have to do this in store, guys. So if you wanted to put some immaculate curbside order in, unfortunately this guy no longer pops up in their system, so you have to go in store and look for it in the regular paper aisle and side caps as well. Because with the side caps, it's just a place where people walk right by and they don't really realize that the paper's there near where they have the detergent and that sort of stuff. So look there as well. And if you are like, I'm just going to look in the app because Kimono doesn't know what she's doing, see this error message? That means it's no longer in the system. So, one other thing I would really recommend for you to do is to bring one to the front and ask the cashier for a price check, or ask for a price check at the photo department where it's a little slower. And if they're like, it's 99 cents, then it's stock up time, because that's a fabulous price point for this tissue. Now, I have a theory. I'm wondering if all the Walgreens brand stuff is at 75% off. I won't know till later today because I unfortunately can't get to the store till later this afternoon. Have some stuff going on. But this guy was $13.49 down to $9.99 recently. I would love for it to be $2. It's an 8-pack of paper towel. But you guys would need to get a price check. And if it's $9.99, you just take it and put it back. But I definitely would ask for price checks on all the paper products. Look for it in the clearance section, side caps, paper section, whatever. Grab one of each, ask for price checks, and you might be shocked. And I won't know all this stuff till later today. We also have this dollar digital coupon, and I know this has been on clearance at many stores. It's this 4 count of the Cottonelle for $3.79, dropping it down to $2.79. However, I would still ask for a price check because there's such a volume of paper products that's on clearance. I do know for a fact the tissue is 99 cents, but everything else I don't know. So I would definitely ask for price checks, be super nice. You got to do this in store. Because I even looked up this little Cottonelle, and you can't get it for a curbside pickup. So $2.79 with the digital coupon. And then everybody's favorite, last January, I think this was like a big thing on social media at $3.79. Everybody was getting it. I think the Scott's paper towel, they're changing the packaging. I think it's going to be a 4 count for $5, so they're shrinkflating that. I don't really know what I think of that. I think that Scott was like the last holdout company that was keeping all their prices the same, and now they have to change it. So I don't know what to think of that. Now, if you love more in-store deals, I made a video on Sunday going through like the best meat and potatoes deals in store with register rewards. So you might want to check out this video. I will link it at the very, very end. And for all the shoppers that are like, I'd rather just shop curbside. Well, there's nothing better than, adding stuff up in the app and then seeing how it'll go. I have a video yesterday that I made with all the best curbside deals, a couple baby ones, and then some vitamin, and then just a meat and potato haul for $10. I will link this video also at the very end, both excellent videos. But with the paper, that has to be done in store, and I would ask for price checks on everything. And if you might find those little 4 counts of the gray Walgreens tissue, 99 cents is a stock up price. Get out there and have a lot of fun, guys, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye.